In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to mention someone in your story on TikTok. Adding mentions in TikTok stories boosts engagement by directly involving others in your content, which encourages them to interact or share. To mention someone in your story, simply head to your TikTok. Let's say this is the story you want to mention in someone. Simply tap onto the sticker icon right here. You will then select on mention. You can go through your recents or simply type in the name of the account you want to mention. Once done, when you share the story to public, they will get notified that you mentioned them in your story. This fosters collaboration, leads to more followers, likes, and comments, which enhances your presence on the platform. That's how easy it is to mention someone in your TikTok story. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.